Today, we do the ultimate thing. We're going to fly a fighter jet. Okay. This is loud. Now that engine is booting up. We're ready to go. Here we go. Flying a fighter jet for my first time. This is really hard. Really hard. Really hard. But I'm not very bad at it. Okay, this is hard to see from. All I can see is up. Oh! Okay, this is hard. This is hard. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a trick because I'm not that good of a flyer. Spin, spin, spin. Yes, yes, spin. Now let's spin this direction. Oh God, barrel roll converted into whatever this is. Oh, wait, I'm gonna fly upside down. Awesome! Awesome! Something happened. Something bad happened. I'm gonna fly up. Wait, something happened. My engine. I think I'm falling. No, I'm still going up from the remaining engine power. But now I'm falling. That sounded like a bunch of pigs. It's like ooh, pigs. Not good for the volume. That's what it sounded like a bunch of pigs. Wait. Okay. Apparently we've landed. Let's hop out. What the heck? It's breaking blocks. Something's breaking. What the heck? Something's like breaking blocks. There's like something in there. No, it looks like there's something in there. Like right here. Oh, that's part of the jet. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Seeing a not good pilot flying a very good jet. Anyways, it ended very weirdly where we crashed into land, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And subscribe and get a free Ruby block. Yeah, building. That's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Sayonara!